Hello guys, we are back with another video and I hope you all are doing great. So guys, now as I told, we are regular putting the videos as you guys expecting. So many viewers are now telling in a comment section that we need to make the trade section of Aivora. So now here we are doing the video for again Aivora guys. Aivora exchange we promoted in our last video. You can check out that on my channel as well. So now guys, in this video now we are updating you how we can apply for a voucher and what is VIP zone and their referral program. So all these things will be discussed. So guys, please watch our video till end. So you need to subscribe our channel and put the bell icon to get the latest notification from our video. And also guys, this video is only made for educational purpose. We are not the financial advisor, so always do your own research first and then invest. Now guys, we need to move forward to the websites and begins our review. So guys, here is the websites. I again need to tell guys, you need to do your own research before investing in any kind of websites. Your research is very important because we only made for videos just for educational purpose. So guys, you can check out Aivora is a kind of big exchange. Many countries are now working on it. We help you to trade smarter and grow faster. That's the company vision. So also guys, they are offering a win up to 1 BTC reward from them. So all these things will be discussed. First of all, you can check out different kind of guys exhibitions and their guys welfare are offering center trading, financial center and new gift centers. You can check out their logos as well. So Aivora, your ultimate AI trading assistant, the most powerful smart trading AI via trading markets. You can check out the currency name like the based on the BTC. They're working on AI as well. So Aivora guys, you can check out their AI assistant. As I told, you can check out the market update like last BTC price, 24-hour turnover, guys, the total volume, change of prices in a percentage base. You can go for a trade as well and view the whole market as well. So everything you need in a one place. The services they are offering, first of all, you can check out the trading pairs is around 300 plus 24/7 active services and low fees compared to the other exchanges. So referral program guys, they are offering a very good like refer your friends and you can get out a trading fees reward, safe and guys reliable and Aivora guarantee at least 1-on-1 reserve ratio for all the users. So if you click on the reward center, sorry, I need to go there. Here are the reward center. You can check out 4,888 guys worth of exciting benefit. You just here simply guys, you can complete different kind of task. You can check out the sign up bonus from there, complete a task below and deposit and trade the challenges. You can complete different kind of guys their task and exclusive reward you can get from their reward center, the referral program and all the things will be discussed. So in a second phase, I need to tell guys their VIP zone. They are guys offering guys you need if you need to become their VIP promoter guys their partner, simply you need to click on the forum and then guys their link will be shown like become Aivora VIP share and success. We are looking for a high volume traders, VIP customers from exchange, initial individuals, calls and community leaders to join Aivora VIP program by creating content, building communities and promoting events. You will help expand our users based on achieve and mutual growth. You can simply apply for it. They are offering a benefit exclusive and professional support and event progress. Their commission reward is also on the way and you can check out answer questions from there. Simply guys, if you want to join it, apply for it. So get up to 60% commissions from them. The second thing guys we need to discuss, that is how to apply for a voucher and I will also show you my voucher from the app as well that I have gotten. So simply guys, you need to click on the apply voucher section, click on that link and you will be on that forum. apply for Aivora, you can check out. We are seeking high volume of traders, VIP clients, individual, and influential and individual calls, and community leaders are major exchanges to join our VIP zone. Simply who you are, UIDs, what is your UIDs here, how much the trial bonus, that is claim application reason, and all the things you need to click and put a submit button, and your form will be guys checked by the team, and they will go for our initial services. So guys, this is the how to apply for it, and I will also show you my vouchers as well. They have two kind of like blue and red. Red I think has 30, and blue I have 20 USDT in their vouchers. You can get that, do the trade and withdraw your profit from them. So that is totally free. Not a single penny will required for a voucher. So guys, this is the voucher upgrade, how to apply for it. Now guys, I need to show you my mobile screen, and there I will tell you how we can apply and get the voucher from there. So guys, I hope you will like it. Let's meet in the next video. Guys, go to the screen and begins our review. So now guys, we are on the mobile screen, and you can check out we have opened our application of Aivora, so you can check out our assets. Now they are zero. Now we need to go for a voucher section. Now you can check I have two kind of vouchers, the green sorry, the blue and the red voucher. So now guys, we are activating our blue one with a 20 USDT bonus. So we need to click on the confirm button, and in that way now you can check out our green sorry our blue voucher is activated. Now we have a 20 in our balance, and now if you wanted to trade it, you can do. So simply click on it, go for a trade, and you can check out a different kind of guys, they are pairs offering for a feature. You can select any kind of the pair. You can go for a cross or a margin, isolate, go for a guys there open or a close, short or a long, any kind of you want it, you will it's up to you, and you can do the trade, get the profit from your trade. So that is the simple step to get the voucher. Hope you guys enjoy our video. If you enjoy and like our video, please subscribe to our channel, and go put your comment in the comment section. So next meet in the next video guys. Goodbye.